Do you need a convenient replacement for traditional metal shackles? I'm Elle Rottinghouse. This Zips 360 features RimSling and how they make extreme synthetic soft shackles that don't require any additional tools to use, and they're easy to open and close. They have many different applications on the rigging and recovery scene, as well as in material handling, manufacturing, utility maintenance, disaster relief, and even in the entertainment industry. Any place that you can use a metal shackle, you will be able to use this soft shackle just as efficiently. The braided guard around the center provides additional strength. Due to weighing less than 3 pounds, they're easy to travel with and store when not in use. Thanks to their soft properties, you don't have to worry about scratching or damaging the surface of anything. Another great feature is how these synthetic soft shackles do not corrode or rust, making them outlast any metal shackle. The extreme synthetic soft shackles have been rated for overhead lifting and have a safety factor of 5:1. Select from the 10 available sizes of 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, 1/2 inch, 5/8, 3/4, 7/8, 1 inch, 1 1/8, and 1 1/4 inch. On the product detail page, you can find a table displaying each size and its respective minimum tensile strength and working load limit, ranging from 5,800 pounds all the way up to 66,000 pounds. Order yours in safety green or purple. RimSling products continue to change how operators work in the industry, offering convenience and safety for the user. Build your inventory of extreme synthetic soft shackles by shopping rigging and recovery supply on zips.com.